Hi, today we are going to discuss about one method that is called as the greedy method, right? And this method is used to solve different kind of problems, right? Before going to discuss about what is a greedy method, first let me to define some of the words or the concept behind the greedy method. So first of all, I would like to say, suppose I have a problem that I want to travel from Visakhapatnam to suppose Kolkata. So my strategy is to travel from here to here. So if this kind of problems I can solve it, means I can go by bus, I can go by train, I can go by aeroplane, I can go by my car, I can go by cycle or motorcycle. So my problem is to go from Visakhapatnam to Kolkata. But the solutions behind my problem, my strategy is I can go by this, I can opt this, I can opt this, I can opt this, and I can opt this. These are my possibilities. So these solutions are called as possible solution. Right? These are the possible solutions are there. But if I will add some constant, that is, you should have to go from Visakhapatnam to Kolkata within 5 hours, or you can say within 10 hours or less than 10 hours. Your constraint is less than 10 hours. So that if that is the case, then you have to choose either by train or by air. So these are the two ways that will give you, under this constraint, it will satisfy to give you a solution. So these two solutions are called as feasible solutions. So one problem have many feasible solutions, right? But out of this feasible solution, one solution may be a optimized solution. So out of these solutions, one solution will be an optimized solution under certain conditions. So suppose I will tell you that you will go by less than 10 hours, but with minimum cost. Minimum cost. Here, this constraints added into my problem. That means I have to choose train. Out of these two feasible solutions, I have to choose another solution that out of these two solutions, I have to choose one solution that is called as a optimal solution. So any problem can be solved by using this greedy method, but out of some feasible solution, we have to choose an optimal solution. So optimal solution may be a minimization problem, or it may be a maximization problem. So if for this case, traveling from source 1 to source 2 with less cost and with less hour, this is called as a minimization problem, right? So what we said, that here we have some possible solutions. Out of possible solution, feasible solutions are there. Out of feasible solution, we have to choose the optimal solution. And this optimal solution, either it may be a minimization problem or it may be a maximization problem. But it can be solved by using different ways. So this optimal solution can be solved by using, you can say, our greedy method, or you can say there are different strategies are there to solve this problem. What is the problem? Problem is optimal solution, to get an optimal solution. So another one is your dynamic programming. This is also one of the method to find out the optimal solution. Another one is your also branch and bound. branch and bound. We will go through each and every topic and what are the different kinds of problems that are solved in greedy method, what are the different kind of problems that can be solved by dynamic programming, what are the different kind of problems that can be solved by branch and bound. Before going to discuss about all these problems, let us first discuss our basic strategy, that is what is the greedy method. Already I told you that greedy method is nothing but a method which can be solved optimization problem. Out of n feasible solution, it will choose one solution which is a optimized solution, right? So now we will go through the algorithm behind the greedy. Actually what I said, algorithm behind the greedy is, we have here, suppose this is our problem P, and this problem, suppose this problem P has input A1, A2, I have put it this input as A1, A2 up to AN. So what I will do for this problem, I will solve it with the solution S1, S2, S3 like Sn. I will find out all the possible solutions. Suppose this problem, all this problem I will take as an input and I will solve it. So what is greedy is saying that you have to take all the problems in an array and the total number of problems is n. You have to choose, or you have to start from 0th index to n index, as you have discussed about an array, that problem is stored in the array, and you have to select an problem and find out a solution. That solution is called as the X, and if that solution is a feasible solution, not possible solution, if that everyone has a solution, these are, but if that solution is a feasible solution, then that solution you have to put it into your solution vector. Suppose this is my solution vector, and if I got that this A1 can be solved by S1, so I will X1, then I can say that X1 is my possible solution, feasible solution. If A2 problem can be solved by X2, that also will be added into my solution vector. So the greedy method will give you all the feasible solutions. So these solutions, out of this solution, one optimized solution you have to give. You have to find out that optimized solution. How you will find out? If it is a minimization problem, you have to sort the array. If it is a maximization problem, you have to sort the array accordingly. Otherwise you can take the binary heap or min heap property to find out the if it is minimization problem. Like that, this greedy method basic algorithm is saying this, and you have to find out, suppose these are the instances and these are the input for your problem, and you have to choose all the problems and find out select the problem, and if it is feasible, add it into the solution vector. This is all about the greedy method, basic greedy method. The application of this greedy method is to find out the optimal solution, right? Thank you.